All right, so what I want to go ahead and do is I want to go ahead and walk through how you're going to log on to Mastering Biology as well as your AP Classroom. And so the first thing that you're going to need is you're going to need your AP Biology syllabus. And so your AP Biology syllabus is actually located, let me see here. Okay, so if you're in your AP Schoology. So if you look right here, I went ahead and attached your syllabus right here. So when you open up this link, you're going to have to download your syllabus. And so what your syllabus looks like, it looks like this, and it has all of my information, so contact information, the course, the tutoring, all of the information you're going to need concerning AP Biology. And so if I scroll on down, I have my Schoology information, and then I have my AP Classroom enrollment. And so I'm going to follow this particular link right here. And so when I go ahead and open that up, I'm going to need this classroom code for sixth period, or for second period if you're looking at the second period video. I need to use a personal email, not the Norset email, because that will be blocked. So if I go ahead and visit that website, let's see here. My computer lets me. Nope, it's not going to let me. All right, so when I visit that website, what I should get, so my AP Classroom. So I should be able to log in. So if you have a College Board account, then you'll be able to log in. If you don't, you're going to have to create one. But most of you have taken AP classes before, so you should already have that. So now just be aware, mine looks a little different because it's the teacher version. But I'm going to go ahead and click on AP Classroom. And so let's see, once this loads, okay, so yours is going to look very similar to this. And so mine has all of the units that are listed. Yours may just have unit 1. I went ahead and gave y'all a very quick quiz over the structure of water and hydrogen bonding. There's only 2 questions there, and it should actually be the first thing that pops up. So if you are having trouble finding that, let me know, but it should be there immediately upon login. So next, the next thing you're going to need, I'm going to scroll on down again in your syllabus, is the Mastering Biology page. And so if I'm looking for Mastering Biology, I need an email address again. I'm going to need the student access code, and then I also need the course ID code right here. And then of course the school zip code. So first, I'm going to be going to pearsonschool.com/access. So if you already have a Pearson account, you won't need to create one. If you and so you'll be able to use that to log in. If you don't have one, you will need to create one. It's not that hard. And so you're going to be logging into your biology textbook. So the thing about this is that when you log in, it's actually flip-flopped. It asks for the course ID first before it asks for the student access code. So just make sure you're aware of that when you log in. So course ID first, and then student access code. And so when you log into that, you'll be able to access the textbook. So if you have any questions with either of those things, let me know. Just send me an email. I'll look on the syllabus. My contact information is there, and I'll be able to help you out. All right.